How to use cash on delivery in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Log into your account and search for the product you want to buy. Once you find it, click on the product and select Add to Cart button. After adding all the items you need, click on the basket icon at the top right corner to go to your cart. Select the products you want to check out and click Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, you will see different payment options. Choose cash on delivery as your payment method. Double check your delivery address and order details, then confirm your order. You will pay for the products directly to the delivery person when your order arrives. Using cash on delivery is a safe and convenient way to shop on Uzum Market if you prefer paying in cash instead of online payments. Now you know how to use cash on delivery in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more online shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.